Hey everyone! Today, we're counting down must-see places around the world. 1. Northern Lights in Norway. Bundle up, find a spot, and let the waves of light amaze you. 2. The Great Wall of China. Walk along this man-made wonder and awe at its history. 3. Santorini, Greece. Whitewashed buildings and stunning sunsets make it a romantic destination. 4. Iguazu Falls, Brazil and Argentina. Witness the massive power of nature with over 250 waterfalls. 5. Cappadocia, Turkey. Float above unique rock formations at sunrise in a hot air balloon. 6. Machu Picchu, Peru. Journey to this ancient city hidden in the Andes for an epic experience. 7. Tokyo, Japan. Experience the blend of ancient temples and modern neon culture. 8. The Grand Canyon, USA. Trust me, it's much more impressive in person, especially at sunset. 9. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. This is paradise with crystal clear waters and serene overwater bungalows. The world is filled with beautiful places ready to explore. What's on your bucket list?